Today's kind of be a boring video, really, because we're kind of just going to skate at the skate park and get a couple of videos there. It might be funny. We're going to try and make it funny as we can for you. But right now I'm going to walk into Jesse's room and try to pop the bag near him and wake him up. Also, watch out for his setup video, probably next week. That. Oh, are you still in here? Nope.
Waldo, Waldo, Willy, Willy, Waldo. So no, Waldo is Higgy's bird. He's some kind of bird. He's a shake jump bird.
He's a parakeet.
Parakeet?
Yeah.
He's also a shake jump bird. Where'd he go? I lost him. Oh. Shake jump. Shake jump, shake jump, shake jump, shake jump. We love shake jump. We love shake jump.
Yeah. I'm pantsless right now. Because I just fucking woke up. You piece of shit. I don't know, you could have gave me a light tap on the shoulder. But instead you popped a fucking bag in my face.
But I didn't. And that's why we're friends. Put on some clothes.
You only come around when you wanna play pool on my hot tub. Ice cream paint job in the garage. I had a menage and murdered the vibes. But afterwards, you blacker than the Bernie Mac to Charlie Murphy's and Akon. The girls that you brought, man, where are they from? Where are they from? We were playing PlayStation. Why you standing there and say song? Girl, say song. No, this ain't a vacation. This is my house, my house. Yeah, you got some silverware, but really, are you eating though? Are you eating though? Nigga, are you eating though? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, book beginners, you ain't even know. Never catching cases while they faces look so emo. Watch a hater hate me, wanna play me like a piano. My octet, no Japanese. Yo, girl, she Japanese. No hands like Socrates. Fuck women like Socrates. Niggas ain't Japanese. Niggas ain't so Maserati, you whipping the gear. Spending this money is long in the deal. Like a Coppola, me and Sophia. You know, broke man, we don't wanna be a friends with a dope man. But nigga real. Nigga girlfriend, man, trouble when I see her. I don't wanna play. Oh, I got my cool. Compliment, got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish.
Huh? Roxy, back off, man. I never had it on. Never had it on. Daddy's boy. Girl.
Yeah, they say they want the realness. Rapped about my real life. Told me I should just quit.